Good day, sir. Good day, classmate. I'm Midshipman Borse from NS1A4, and in this video, I'm gonna report the target vessel category, relative bearing, relative direction of movement, and the target aspect. The vessel category is sailing vessel. A sailing ship is a seagoing vessel that use sail-mounted mast to harness the power of the wind and propel vessel. The relative bearing, 1 point from the starboard beam. The relative direction of movement is south-southwest or south. The target aspect of starboard side of 080 degrees angle relative.
Good day everyone, I'm Midshipman Borja Jadsi from NS1A4, and I will discuss the vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver. And first, we'll be see the picture of vessels. The power-driven vessel will be encounter each other, the other vessel, in south to south by west. And to continue that, first, I will be said the meaning of vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver. A vessel which, due to the nature of her work, is restricted in her ability to maneuver and is therefore unable to keep out of the way of another vessel. The term includes vessel engaged in laying, servicing, or picking up navigation marks, submarine cables or pipelines, vessels engaged in dredging, surveying, or underwater operation, vessel engaged in towing operation, and etc. In the picture, will be report the target vessel category, relative bearing, relative direction of movement, and target aspect. Vessel category, power-driven vessel, aground, relative bearing 2 points, port bow, relative bearing, relative direction of movement, south or south by east. Target aspect is port bow. And that's it all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I'm Midshipman Cadet Castle Jericho E. Today I will report the target vessel category, relative bearing, relative direction of movement, and the target aspect. As you can see, the vessel category is vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver. Next is the relative bearing. The relative bearing here is 3 points starboard bow. Next is the relative direction of movement, and that is southeast. The last is the target aspect, which is starboard quarter. That's all. Thank you.
Woman is Rimon Batampongan, and now we're gonna discuss the relative bearing, relative direction, and the target aspect of this vessel. But first, what is vessel engaged in fishing? In accordance with Rule 3, general definition, the term vessel engaged in fishing means any vessel fishing with nets, lines, trawls, or other fishing apparatus which restrict maneuverability, but does not include the vessel fishing with trolling lines or other fishing apparatus which do not restrict the maneuverability. The vessel category of this picture is vessel engaged in fishing. The relative bearing of this vessel is 2 or 3 points from the starboard beam, and the relative direction of movement is southeast, and the target aspect of this vessel is starboard side quarter.
Today, I am Alexander Gustibolo, and today we're going to talk about vessel not under command. Well, a vessel not under command means a vessel which, through some exceptional circumstances, is unable to maneuver and therefore unable to keep out of the way of another vessel. It has a relative bearing of 1 point port of bow. The target direction of movement is southeast or south-southeast. And last, the target aspect is starboard bow. It shall exhibit 2 all-around red lights in a vertical line where they can best be seen. And that is all. Thank you.